Hello, friends. Today I'm going to share with you we made a change to the invoice feature in the Sell with Amy app, and I want to show you how to utilize it. So first I'm going to show you what we're going for. So I'm going to pop open Safari. I have an invoice that's been generated here. Nothing new here, as you can see. It's just an invoice with a variety of things. As always, you can add shipping, you can modify sales tax if needed, and then you have the ability to see the total. So this is very transparent for your customers. They have the ability to see everywhere that there has been a charge or things added to their total. What I want to share with you is we knew about Cash App, we knew about PayPal, knew about Venmo, but credit card is new. And that's done through Square invoicing. So that's really exciting. The way that you do this, I'll show you how to set it up, but first I want to show you what that user experience will be like. So they have their invoice. If they select credit card, what happens is it automatically goes right through Square. It's showing the same items here. Additionally, it is then giving them the option to buy with Apple Pay, buy with Google Pay, or they can enter their information via credit card. And again, it's done through Square, so it's all very secure. They can enter all of that information and then select the place order, and then you will get paid. Now, typical questions that come up: is there a fee for this? Yes, it's done through Square, and you need to have Square set up in the app. So let me show you how to do that. I am going to go ahead and I am in the account tab here. So account tab, lower right-hand corner, we're going to go down to under payments is configure accounts. When you do that, previously Square was here under point of sale. Now you want to make sure you select social payments and you log in with your Square account utilizing right here under Square. And so you go ahead and select that and set that up, log in, and everything will be connected for you to be able to send that out. As always, you can modify message templates surrounding this. So if I go to message templates here, you have the ability under cold message templates to go ahead and modify the send an order invoice message template, or send an order receipt message template is also there for you. So I hope this is as exciting to you as it is to us here, and I look forward to you utilizing it for your business. Thanks so much, friends. See you later.